So, if you're like many people, you might think that to build muscle, you need to lift weights and eat a bunch of protein. But what if I told you there's something else that can make a huge difference? Something you can do while you sleep to help you add pounds of muscle without doing any work. What if I told you your nightly routine could help you pack on muscle? Well, it's true. There's a lot you can do to help your body get bigger, stronger muscles, and all of it happens while you snooze. In fact, your muscles do about 70% of their repair and growing while you sleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. So in today's video, I'm going to share my two favorite vitamins to take at night for faster muscle growth, more effective than magnesium. And I'm going to warn you about 3 supplements to steer clear of at night that could sabotage your progress. Before we go further, keep in mind that supplements are just that. They supplement your healthy lifestyle. So, if you don't eat a balanced diet full of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs, no amount of vitamins will magically give you the physique of an Olympic swimmer. Alright, let's dive in with the second best supplement first, then reveal the top 1 most people overlook. 1. Vitamin D3. Taking vitamin D3 before bed supercharges muscle repair. Here's why. First, activates muscle receptors. Vitamin D3 triggers VDRS vitamin D receptors in muscle cells, helping them absorb calcium and phosphorus from your daily diet. These minerals are essential for muscle contraction and growth. Second, boosts testosterone. Vitamin D3 signals your body to produce more testosterone during sleep, which helps convert dietary protein into new muscle tissue. Remember, testosterone production drops by about 15 to 20% as men age, making it harder to maintain muscle mass. By boosting testosterone, vitamin D3 counters this effect, ensuring you retain and even gain muscle. Third, reduces inflammation. It lowers muscle inflammation, speeding recovery and preventing age-related muscle breakdown. The science backs it up. A Harvard study followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels for 8 months. 2. Now let's talk about zinc. Zinc is the ultimate partner to vitamin D3 for muscle growth. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that rely on zinc to function here. How it helps. First, drives muscle repair. Zinc controls over 300 enzymes that rebuild muscle tissue during sleep. Second, transports amino acids. It helps deliver amino acids to muscle cells where they form new fibers. Third, reduces soreness. Seniors with healthy zinc levels wake up less sore and recover faster. The science shows that a University of Michigan study found that zinc-deficient seniors taking 20 milligrams daily boosted muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster. Zinc deficiency, common in 40% of seniors, can slow healing and testosterone production, stalling muscle growth. How to take it. Take 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc with a full glass of water 2 hours before bed for optimal absorption. Avoid taking zinc with dairy or high-fiber foods as they can block its absorption. Okay, now let's discuss 3 supplements to avoid at night. They may seem helpful, but they can really mess with your sleep and recovery, slowing muscle growth. No. 1. B-complex vitamins. These vitamins are great for boosting energy and metabolism, which is awesome in the morning, but at night they can be harmful. Why? Well, B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and niacin, can stimulate your nervous system and reduce melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. This can shorten deep sleep, the most restorative sleep when your body repairs muscles. A 2019 study showed that seniors taking B-complex in the evening had less restorative sleep, leading to weaker muscles. So, when should you take them? In the morning? Taking B vitamins with breakfast helps kickstart your metabolism and energy levels, providing you with a healthy boost as you start your day. No. 2. Vitamin C. This is an antioxidant that supports immunity, but at night it can disrupt muscle repair. Why? Well, Vitamin C reduces mild oxidative stress that your body needs to trigger muscle protein synthesis and growth hormone release. So taking it at night may seem like a good idea to boost your immune system. But studies show that it interferes with your body's natural repair processes, slowing muscle growth. Plus, vitamin C increases alertness, keeping you awake instead of promoting sleep. So, when should you take it? In the morning. Taking vitamin C with breakfast provides a nice boost to your immune system while avoiding interference with nighttime muscle repair. Number 3. Caffeine. Found in coffee, tea, or some supplements, caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, raising cortisol, a stress hormone that blocks muscle protein synthesis. Cortisol also interferes with sleep, reducing muscle repair. A 2020 study showed that seniors consuming caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more muscle mass. So not only does caffeine prevent muscle growth, but it also causes muscle loss. When should you have it? In the morning. Having your caffeine fix with breakfast provides a nice boost to your energy levels without interfering with nighttime muscle repair. Now let's see how this knowledge can help real people. Let's take Margaret, an 87-year-old who exercises regularly but keeps losing strength. She's frustrated and doesn't understand why she's not getting stronger. Her doctor suggests she take vitamin D3 and zinc at night. After a few weeks, she starts feeling better rested and notices that she's actually gaining strength and muscle mass. Turns out she was taking a B-complex vitamin after dinner, which was disrupting her sleep and recovery. Once she switches it to mornings, her sleep improves and she gains 2 pounds of muscle in 3 weeks. That's the power of timing supplements right. Or Harold, 79, who wants to maintain his muscle mass as he gets older. He starts taking vitamin D3 and zinc at night, boosting his testosterone and reducing inflammation. But he's still struggling with soreness and slow recovery. His doctor discovers that he's taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C at night, which is interfering with his muscle repair. Switching to the morning helps him sleep better and feel less sore, restoring his strength. Then there's Gloria, 81, who wants to build muscle strength. She takes vitamin D3 and zinc at night, but still feels fatigued and struggles with energy. Her doctor finds that she's taking a supplement with hidden caffeine, which is disrupting her sleep and recovery. Removing this from her nighttime routine gives her a big boost, improving her leg strength by 19% in a month. What are your next steps? First, check your current supplements. Do you take any of the ones mentioned, especially those containing caffeine or B vitamins? If so, consider switching to morning to improve muscle repair and sleep. Second, consider adding vitamin D3 and zinc to your nighttime routine for extra support in building muscle. Just make sure you choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands to ensure you're getting pure, effective ingredients. As always, I want to hear from you. Are you already taking some of these supplements? Let me know in the comments below. For more tips on maximizing muscle growth, check out my video on a secret to boost leg strength by 34%, even if you have knee pain. It's exclusive to subscribers, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and I'll see you next time.